You're watching Kids Wonder Playhouse.
A is for asparagus, tall and green. B is for broccoli, healthy as seen. C is for carrot, crunchy delight. D is for drumstick, long and light. E is for eggplant, purple and round. F is for fennel, fresh from the ground. G is for green beans, tasty and thin. H is for horseradish, spicy within. I is for iceberg, cool and crisp. J is for Jalapeño, a little twist. K is for Kale, leafy and strong. L is for lettuce, munch it all day long. M is for mushroom, soft and white. N is for Napa, cabbage, leafy and bright. O is for okra, slimy but fun. P is for peas, everyone loves some. U is for quinoa, leaves tiny and green. R is for radish, red and clean. S is for spinach, full of might. T is for turnip, purple and white. U is for upland, cress, small and new. V is for vegetable, marrow, soft like stew. Double is for watercress, fresh and free. X is for Xoconostle, edible cactus, healthy as can be. Y is for yam, sweet and yummy. C is for zucchini, good for your tummy.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.